There was one cobbler who repaired shoes in a large village. The cobbler was so busy that he couldn't mend his boots. While he worked on others' footwear, he suffered blisters and began to limp. He lost his feet because of his stupidity and couldn't work anymore. If you want to help others, then you first need to ensure that you help yourself. While you are so busy making money and investing money to fulfill the financial goals of your family members, remember to take care of yourself by creating an ideal emergency fund. An emergency fund can help you take care of any unforeseen emergencies such as job loss, pandemic, or house repair. The amount that you need to keep in your emergency fund will depend on your financial status, job sector, and financial obligations. But to start, you can save at least 6 months of expenses for any emergency. When you have an emergency fund, you don't have to dip in your savings and investments meant for other financial goals. Safeguarding ourselves from emergencies is equally important as investing money. Build an emergency fund by investing in liquid funds and safeguard yourselves and your family members from unpredictable situations. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.